This video will go through the general replacement process for the power connector for free motion exercise bikes and other similar models. Because of continuing product improvements, your assembly steps may not be identical to those shown. Please refer to your user's manual and any assembly updates that came with your particular model if you have any questions about the assembly steps shown here. Using an adjustable wrench, loosen the left pedal by turning it clockwise off the left crank arm. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the left crank cover off the left shield cover. Next, with a standard Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the shield cover to the machine, then remove the shield cover. Using a 14mm socket wrench, remove the nut from the left crank arm. Then using a crank puller, remove the left crank arm from the machine. Next, remove the accessory tray from the upright. With a small flathead screwdriver, carefully pop off the upright cover. While using one hand to push the lock ring from the back, remove the lock ring from the left shield cover as shown here. Then remove the 9 Phillips head screws holding the left and right shield together and remove the left shield. Locate the power wire at the rear of the machine shown here. With an adjustable wrench, remove the washer holding the power connection wire to the frame. Using a pair of pliers, remove the wire tie holding the power wire to the machine. Then disconnect the power wire from the main wire by pulling back on the tab on the power wire connection. Next, reconnect the new power wire to the main wire as shown. Using an adjustable wrench, tighten down the power wire connector to the frame of the machine with the threaded washer that you removed earlier. Secure the wires with a wire tie away from any moving parts to prevent any damage to the wires while the machine is in use. Replace the left shield and install the 9 left shield Phillips head screws. Reinstall the left side lock ring. Then, lower the upright cover until it clicks into place. Reattach the accessory holder. Next, replace the left crank arm and tighten it with a 14mm nut and socket wrench. Replace the shield cover with 2 Phillips head screws. Then replace the left crank cover. This just clicks into place. Finally, using an adjustable wrench, reattach the left foot pedal by turning it counterclockwise onto the left crank arm. Then attach the foot pedal strap. After the equipment is reassembled, inspect it to make sure that it is assembled correctly and that it functions properly. Make sure all parts are properly tightened before you use the machine.